Want to stop an email right after you send it? Here's how to enable the Undo Send feature in Gmail. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com. In the top right corner, click on the Settings gear icon. Then click on See All Settings. Under the General tab, look for the Undo Send section. Here you can set the cancellation period. That's how long Gmail will let you undo a sent message. You can choose between 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Select your preferred time, then scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Now, whenever you send an email, you'll see an Undo option appear in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click it within the time limit you set, and your email won't be sent. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Undo Send in Gmail. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.